Intro. Calm yet powerful tone asterisk my friend asterisk today. I'm going to tell you something that has the power to change your entire life. Asterisk it's simple but life-changing. Asterisk if you want success. If you want peace. If you want true transformation. Asterisk you must win one battle first. Asterisk and that battle is not with the world. Asterisk it's with your own mind. Asterisk main body, emotional hook asterisk every day. Millions of people want to grow, to succeed, to move forward asterisk, but they stay stuck. Asterisk where? Asterisk inside their own head. Asterisk we get trapped in the stories we keep repeating to ourselves. Asterisk I failed before. What if I fail again? Asterisk what will people think of me? Asterisk am I really good enough? Asterisk this voice is echo in your mind. Asterisk and slowly you stop believing them. Asterisk but here's the truth. Asterisk your thoughts are not facts. Asterisk they're just stories you've told yourself over and over again. Asterisk Tony Robbins quote. Power statement asterisk Tony Robbins says, asterisk the only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Asterisk that's it. Asterisk is not your skills, it's not the economy, it's not your past asterisk, it's the story you keep replaying in your head. Asterisk think of your brain like a computer. Asterisk what you feed into it becomes your output. Asterisk if you constantly feed it stories of fear, failure, and self-doubt, asterisk your life will reflect exactly that. Asterisk but if you start feeding it stories of courage, action, and belief asterisk everything changes. Asterisk relatable example. Connect to the audience asterisk imagine you tried something new and it didn't work out the asterisk immediately. Your mind says, asterisk see, I knew I would fail. I'm not good at this. Asterisk but hold on. Asterisk that's not the real story. Asterisk the real story is, asterisk you tried, asterisk you learned. Asterisk, and now you can try again this time, smarter. Asterisk that's the difference between ordinary people and extraordinary achievers. Asterisk successful people don't get trapped in their own head. Asterisk they control their thoughts instead of letting their thoughts control them. Asterisk they know that thoughts create feelings, feelings create actions, and actions create results. Asterisk emotional build up. Increase energy asterisk. Now think about it asterisk what? If you could stop believing every negative thought? Asterisk what if you could choose to change the narrative? Asterisk what would become possible for you? Asterisk remember this. Asterisk the most successful people in the world had the same fears, the same doubts. Asterisk but they made one decision. Asterisk I will not lose to my mind. I will leave my mind. Asterisk Tony Robbins style command. Direct audience engagement asterisk so today. Make that decision. Asterisk silence that negative voice inside. Asterisk tell yourself right now. Asterisk I am enough. Asterisk I can do this. Asterisk I have what it takes to change my life. Asterisk these are not just words. Asterisk they are the start of a new life. Asterisk when you change your thinking, you change your energy. Asterisk when you change your energy, your actions shift. Asterisk and when your actions shift asterisk your entire life transforms. Asterisk practical exercise, visualization asterisk let's do something simple but powerful. Asterisk close your eyes for a moment. Asterisk see yourself where you truly want to be. Asterisk see yourself winning. Asterisk see yourself happy, healthy, successful, and calm. Asterisk take a deep breath and say in your heart, asterisk I am free from the prison of my own mind. Asterisk say it again, louder in your mind. Asterisk I am free from the prison of my own mind. Asterisk conclusion, call to action asterisk remember this truth. Asterisk inside you is a power greater than any fear. Asterisk inside you is a fire that can light up any darkness. Asterisk but it all starts when you decide to stop being a prisoner of your own head. Asterisk break the loop. Asterisk stop replaying the same limiting story. Asterisk today Write a new chapter. Asterisk tell yourself. Asterisk I am free from fear. Asterisk I take action now. Asterisk I silence the noise in my head and create the life I deserve. Asterisk this moment is your moment of change. Asterisk this is the moment where you stop overthinking and start living. Asterisk outro. Calm yet empowering ending. Asterisk thank you, my friend. Asterisk always remember asterisk life doesn't change out there. Asterisk life changes in here inside. Your mind. Asterisk so get out of your head. Asterisk and step into the life you were meant to live.